Hey y'all, if you're new to my channel, I'm Taylor, and if you're joining me again, welcome back. So I have a gift guide for y'all today, whether that be for yourself, a significant other, or for your best friend. I think I have all bases covered. So I hope you enjoy and get cozy, get a pen and paper and a snack because we have a lot to get through, but I really think you'll like it. So first, let's start with makeup. So these are the Tartelette and Bloom palettes. They're a perfect gift for someone in your life. Maybe you want to ask for these yourself. I know that I reach for these almost every day because they are very versatile. I love them and they last a long time, and they're made out of Amazonian clay. So they have a really good quality about them, and I love them, and I think you will too. Next, I think brushes would be a great idea for someone, maybe yourself even. These are from Marshalls and TJ Maxx, and they're vegan, cruelty-free, no animal hair. I really like these. Next thing are these two little chapstick kind of sort of things. I say kind of sort of because they're like Rosebud Solve bombs. I use them as chapstick, but they can be like used overnight. You can just put them on your lips before you go to sleep, and they really work, especially if your lips get super chapped in the winter like mine do all the time. So I like to use the kind in the tin and the kind in the little squeezy tube. They both work. I prefer to use this one before I go to sleep and this one just on the go, and I swear by them and I really like them. Next are these ColourPop Super Shock shadows. I'm a really big fan of these because they're simple to use. You just take a swipe, put them across your eyelid, you're good. You look like you spent time getting ready, but in reality it took like 2 seconds. My earring fell out. That's what I get for wearing clip-ons. This is Pillow Talk Poet by Penrose, and I swear by this. Oh my goodness, y'all. That wasn't a good idea. I'm okay, but that wasn't my smartest moment. This is Pillow Talk Poet by Penrose. I got this at Sephora. Penrose has a line of things that you can buy from them, like the little scents and stuff, but this is my favorite one, and it smells amazing. I've had people say like, oh my gosh, like what are you wearing, and they went and picked it up themselves. So I swear by this. I love it. You get a lot, I think, for the price. I know it's a little bit of a higher end gift, but a little goes a long way. I only needed one spray. Keeping it rolling with the beauty theme, I love these Urban Decay lipsticks. I have about 7 to 8 other shades, but I really like Liar, Ravenswood, and I think it's called Fuel 2.0. I think I've had this Ravenswood one since like 2 years ago, and I know you're supposed to like get rid of them after a certain amount of time, but these haven't gotten old, so I'm just rolling with it, and they work, and I love them. They're great. Next are some nail polishes. These are from the brand Pacifica, and they're 100% vegan and 100% cruelty free, and I really like the formula of these. They stay on. I have the colors Desert Princess and Dreamcatcher in my hands, but I have a lot more in my bathroom because I am always reaching for these. Next is this Mario Badescu Vitamin E hand cream. I know in the winter my hands get super chapped, and I feel like I'm always having to reach for this, but it always works whenever my hands are super chapped. We just wrapped up Hanukkah, and my mom got me this, and it's this little hair wrap, and I did not understand what it was at first. I was like, is this like a towel or what? But she basically explained that it can be harmful for your hair to like sit in like the towel material. So this is like a, I want to say like a terry cloth material, and it saves your neck from like having to wrap the towel around your like head and like lay in your bed and your neck's all like hurting and you're like on your phone, because I know we all do that. So this is really nice, and I tried it out for the first time last night, and my hair dried super quick and it didn't hurt my neck. Moving on to some fashion pieces, I really like these distance bracelets. I got this one for my boyfriend, and I got this one for myself. So basically it's like they have the same beads on them, except like one's mainly black and one's mainly marble, but they have like each other in the middle, if that makes sense. I think you know what I mean. But I really like these. This could be like used for a best friend, a boyfriend, a mom, someone that just like lives far away or whatever. I'll link below the shop that I used. I got these on Etsy, and they turned out great, and I love how for Zach, my boyfriend, his is larger because he has larger wrists. The next gift that I received that I absolutely loved was from one of my best friends, and she got me this Keep Collective bracelet, and it has the cis little charm on it, and you can keep adding to it, and I just thought that was so sweet and thoughtful, and I definitely think someone you love would really appreciate this. The next thing I have is a Daniel Wellington watch. I love this thing. I wear it with everything. It's the rose gold color, and the face is, I think, the smallest one because I wanted something dainty. I love personalized gifts, and my boyfriend got me this necklace that says Taylor in Old English font. I'll insert a picture of me wearing it so you can see it a little bit better, but I think it's so precious and I love it. This is from Caitlin Minimalist on Etsy, and I have some of her other pieces and they're very quality and they're great. The next thing is from Rose Sky Designs. It's actually owned by my friend Sarah, and it's this cute personalized necklace. Like I said before, I'm all about some personalization, and this is silver with these little gray beads, and I love it, and I'll link her shop down below. While we're on the whole personalization thing, this is a T ring from Anthropologie. They have all of the letters of the alphabet, and I love this. I want to say that I picked this up on sale for like 14 bucks, and I wear it almost every single day. The next gift was actually for my boyfriend, and it says My American Beauty on it in his handwriting, which I think is just absolutely precious. He's from Australia, so we have this little song we like called American Beauty, and he just wrote that in his handwriting, and I think it's precious. Like I said, I think personalized gifts are the absolute sweetest, and just to have this in his handwriting is super sweet. So you could definitely do this for like a best friend or your mom, and I think they would really appreciate it. Gold layering necklaces are also in. This one is from Princess Polly, and this one is from Madewell. And I'm all about, you know, getting necklaces that are maybe like $6 or $7 that you can just throw on, but they tarnish really easily. And what I found about Madewell is that their stuff lasts forever. You can, you know, put hairspray on it and it won't go green, or you can get it wet and you don't have to worry about it. So I really love Madewell stuff, and I know that they're having a sale on their jewelry. They usually keep like a constant sale on some of their pieces, and if you look on Nordstrom Rack, you'll see a lot of good stuff from there too from Madewell. So I love gold layering necklaces, and you really can't go wrong with them. I love your melon beanie is always a great idea. I have like 15 of these. I'm obsessed with them because I love the message behind them. I'm actually the president at my university for the Love Your Melon Club, and we basically help kids with cancer. It's an amazing company, and the message behind it is just like all the more meaningful, because whenever you wear it, people ask, hey, what does that mean? And you get to like say like, well, like I'm helping a kid with cancer, and I just think it's so special. The next gift are some sunglasses, and I think sunglasses are just a perfect gift for someone. I'm not a fan of the sunglasses that have those little pieces that like connect to your nose. I know y'all know what I mean, but I don't even know what they're called. So I really like these because I think that they can go with just about anything, and they're really comfortable. The next gift that I think would be really sweet to get someone is like a shirt of their favorite band or something like this. This is Lainey, and it's comfort colors, which I hear a lot of people talking about, so I'm really excited to wear it. I know it's super soft, just from what I can tell so far, and I just think like having a shirt of like your favorite band or like your favorite movie or something like that would just be sweet, and it's just something to say like, hey, like I know like this is your favorite thing or your favorite band, music, whatever. So I think that they would really like this. I love Costco for the free samples and for their clothes, y'all. If you don't go to Costco or Sam's to look for clothes, like you're sleeping on them, because I got this blanket. It's like a dark midnight blue, but it's like a blanket little jacket. Like it was $14, y'all, and I'm over there getting pieces of apple pie. Like I'm sampling those. I'm getting like some cinnamon rolls, and then I'm getting this. I mean, like really, you go in there, you can get anything you want there. Y'all, did you know that they sell caskets? They sell caskets. They sell wine. They sell jungle gyms. It's your one-stop shop. You really don't have to go anywhere else. That was probably really weird. The next thing you could definitely ask for or give someone is a portable phone charger. I love these. I have like 2 or 3 on hand. They're great for whenever you're out and about or at a concert and you just need a quick charge, and I think they're pretty affordable now, especially since they've been out for a while. Earphones are also great. I got these recently, and I know that they just make me like want to go to the gym and like work out, and I know like we have January coming up and it's like New Year's resolutions, so I love these. You just stick them around like your neck, put them in, and these are the Jaybird X3s, and I know they come with some different like little clips to fit your ears. These next things I think are really sweet. So this is like a photo frame that has hearts in it, and this is just a Polaroid that you can put in this cute little pink case, and I just think giving photos for gifts is just really sweet, because it's just like a personal way to say like, hey, happy holidays, whatever, and still include like memories. And I think these like pink little cases are really sweet too. So if you have a music lover that you're shopping for, I think that a vinyl record would be really cute. And I also think that if they don't have a, you know, player to listen to the song, they could also take these out and hang them up on like a little display case thing, because that's what I did for the longest time, is I just kind of displayed my favorite like albums and the pretty vinyls that come with them, and a lot of people complimented me on them because they're like, oh, this is like a good way to like show your interest while having artwork on your wall. So I think this would be a really good idea too. Next is a book. This is the first one I grabbed, but this is Girl Boss, and I think this is just a good read if you're like on a plane or if you're traveling and you just want something quick and easy read. I think books are always a great idea too. I know I'm a book lover. I love to have little light reads here and there, so I think a book is always a great idea too. The next gift that I think would be precious is a journal. So this says beautiful minds inspire others, and you could always put on the front page a note from yourself and give this to someone and say what you hope the intentions are for this book. You know, if it's self-care to help their mental health. I think that's a very personalized gift that's really sweet too. I think a giant bag like this to be used for like a weekend trip is a great gift for yourself or for someone you love. One of my best friends got this for me at a store here in North Carolina called Charming Charlie. I'm sure there's a couple more around, but I love it. I use it a lot because it's huge inside and it's really nice quality too. I know a question that I always run into is, what do I get the guys in my life? So I actually found this on Etsy. It's called like a wood valet. So this has my boyfriend's name just like engraved in it, but you put your phone right there and the charger can go through it, and then you can put like sunglasses right here, and then like if you have like any more bracelets you want to add, or if you want to put a pin right there. I think that's just such a great idea, and you know, they could use this for like their desk at work or like in their bedside table. The next gift is a wallet. I got this one personalized for my boyfriend. His name's Zach, and it's spelled Z-A-C, and I really think that the 3 letters that I was given could be for their initials, but it works because his name has 3 letters in it. It can last forever, so I definitely recommend picking up a wallet for that special someone, or even your dad in your life. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any video suggestions, and happy shopping, and I'll see you in my next video.